So welcome back. So cleaning time for the K&N filter. Well, I don't have the agent to clean this, but I've got soap, I've got a pail, and I've got water. Yes, they said that I need to use the proper K&N cleaner, but I've done it a couple of times, many times actually, with all my filters, and it doesn't hurt anything. We're just trying to remove all the dirt and the old oil from the filter, and that's it. So and then just dip your filter. See how fast it cleans. Because it's just old oil and dust. And now we will rinse this. Oops, I'm getting my car wet. So there goes the cleaning part. It's all clean. Now, don't use compressed air to dry this off. What was recommended is that you leave this overnight to drip and dry. So that's what we're gonna do, and let's check it out tomorrow. So it's completely dry. We are putting air filter oil. I don't know why I mentioned conditioner. So it's called air filter oil. So you can see how long I have not cleaned this filter. This is just dusty. So all you have to do is apply this. This is the aerosol version, and there's I think a liquid solution version, and well, anyways, just make sure that this is completely dry, and then just spray this on the top on the edge. And then let it wick for a while, around 20 minutes, and then reapply. If you will see, now it's a little bit pinkish. So later, let's apply again on those lighter portions.
20 minutes later.
So that's it, I think. After 20 minutes, I think it's all equally saturated. And if it's not, then just spray those whitish areas. But for now, I think it's good. And then it's time to install it in the car. So before we end this video, we would like to invite you guys to watch out for an episode that we'll be doing, and we will be calling it Toolbox Tuesday. We just thought that we've got so much stuff in our toolbox, anything that we use for our cars, our bikes, or anything that we do in our home. We've got a lot of stuff that we can feature it. So every Tuesday, that's why we call it Tuesday, Toolbox Tuesday. No, probably it's Monday. So Toolbox Tuesday, every Tuesday we'll be featuring a tool. And if you do have any tools that you want to be featured, let us know, comment below, and it will start tomorrow. It's Tuesday tomorrow, right? So anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.